Healthy morning, students. Today we are going to solve question 4, number 4 of exercise 3.2. Already from question for first 2-3 sum we have solved. Today we solve question number 4. Here it is. 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So these two will be a1, b1 minus 2, c1 minus 2. a2 will be 4, b2 minus 4 and c2 minus 5. First we have to check it out whether it is consistent or not. Find out ratio a1 by a2. So 2 by 4, 1 by 2. b1 by b2 minus 2 by minus 4, 1 by 2. c1 by c2 minus 2 by minus 5, minus might cancel, 2 by 5. So here a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2. We know very well that if all ratios are same, infinite solution, all ratios are not same, unique solution. First two ratios same and third different, that means no solution. Any solution. So it is inconsistent. Okay, go through it. Clear? Let us solve next. Here it is. Question number 5th. Numerical we have. Half the perimeter of the rectangular garden, whose length is 4 meter more than its width, is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. We want dimension of the garden. We know very well, garden is rectangular, so rectangle have two dimensions, length and breadth. So let us suppose, let length of rectangular garden x meter and breadth of rectangular garden y meter. First sentence will give us first equation. First sentence is length is 4 meter more than its width. Length is 4 meter more than its width. So length we have represented by x, meaning of is equals to. See, meaning of more than is dash plus 4. Meaning of more than dash plus, meaning of less than dash minus. But how much more? 4. So after plus 4. And whatever given after then they will write in the dash. Then के बाद क्या दिया? width मतलब y. Always ऐसा ही करने का. More than, suppose if I tell you कि length is 3 meter less than width, तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? length x is equal to. अब less than का मतलब क्या होता है? dash minus. जैसे more than का dash plus होता है, फिर यहाँ जितना मोर है वो प्लस के बाद लिखा जाता है. 4 मीटर मोर है तो प्लस के बाद 4, बट यह 3 मीटर लेस, तो जितना लेस है वो माइनस के बाद लिखेंगे यहाँ 3. और आफ्टर देन व्हाट एवर वी हैव वेरिएबल, आफ्टर देन वी हैव वेरिएबल विड्थ, दैट इज y. So it will be written in dash. So in this way we can form the equation second sentence, second equation. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36 meter. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36 meter. Look, अब यहां पर क्या दिए, एक ही सेंटेंस में दोनों सेंटेंस मिक्स कर दिए. अब मैं आपको बताता हूं आपको कैसे समझना है. मैं जितना बोलूं उसको ब्रैकेट में क्लोज करो. Whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Just close this inside the bracket. Whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Just close inside the bracket. Okay. Now except bracket, read the sentence. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36 meter. So half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36 meter. So this will give us second equation. Half perimeter is equal to 36. We know the formula of perimeter, 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. This is the formula of perimeter. Is equal to 36. So 2 cancel. Length x plus breadth or width, that is y. So this is our another equation. So here the question is, we want to find dimension graphically. So to solve this graphically, first we'll find out coordinates. We know very well how to find out coordinates, but when we solve any graphically or any linear equation graphically, first we find out its solution by elimination method. So here it is x equal to y plus 4. So let me shift this y towards right hand side. So x minus y equal to 4. Okay? Now let us write this both equation. X minus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 36. Change the sign. Always change the sign. Minus 36 also minus. X cancel, minus plus, so minus 2y. Sign of 36 is minus, so plus minus 36 minus 4, 32 greater number sign. Y cancel. When this 2 shift to 32, we'll get y equal to 16. तो in short, इससे हमें क्या आइडिया आता है? From this we get idea that whenever we find out coordinate ना, you must have to take one value of y 16. ये आपको लेनी ही है. ठीक है? चलो. Let us find out coordinate of this first. X equal to y plus 4. No need to make a subject because already it is made. अब देखो y 16 लेना ही है. 60 तो लेना ही है. अब 16 के अलावा आपको जो ठीक लगे वो y के कोऑर्डिनेट ले सकते हैं. आपको 1 लेना है 1 लो, 2 लेना है 2 लो, 4 लेना है 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 जो लेना है वो लो. ठीक है? So let y equal to suppose 1. So we'll have x equals to 1 plus 4. X will be 5. Now if I take y equals to 2, so x will be y is 2 plus 4, so x will be 6. Now third coordinate I will take 16 क्योंकि 16 तो मुझे लेना ही है ना? तो y equal to 16, so x going to be 16 plus 4, x will be 20. Let us form the table x y. x6 y, sorry ये रहेगा ना, x5 y1, x6 y2, x20 y16. Okay, so here we have found out coordinate of first equation of line. Now second, x plus y equal to 36. Now we'll make x subject, shift this y, so we'll have x equal to 36 minus y. अगेन एनी वन वैल्यू ऑफ y यू कैन टेक, कुछ भी जो लेना है वो आप ले सकते हो, ठीक है। देखो, बट इफ आई टेक वैल्यू ऑफ y 1 देन x आई विल गेट 35, x मुझे 35 मिलेगा। तो सोचो आपके ग्राफ पेपर पे मैक्स टू मैक्स एक्चुअली 19 लाइंस होती है, 19 नहीं, अपने 15 को मान के चलने का, ठीक है। तो 1 to लेके 15 तक मैं उसको शो कर सकता हूं। तो ये तो कितना आएगा, y इक्वल टू में अगर 1 लेता हूं तो 35 तक हम कैसे ले जाएंगे उसको, ले जा सकते हैं 2 यूनिट लेके ले सकते हैं अपने, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है, वो भी कर सकते हैं। चलो ऐसा ही करते हैं, 2 यूनिट ले लेंगे स्केल। Let us take y equal to 1, so x going to be 36 minus value of y1, x will be 35. Okay, now if I take y equals to 2, x will be 36 minus y2, x going to be 34. Now 16 so we must have to take, if I take y equal to 16, x going to be 36 minus 16, that means 20. So here we have coordinate of the second line also. For x equal to 35 y1, for x equal to 34 y2, for x equals to 20 y16. आप कुछ भी कोऑर्डिनेट ले सकते हो, तो ठीक है, मैंने 1 2 3 लिया, लेकिन जिसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है वो ग्रेटर हो, तो यहाँ ग्रेटर वैल्यू लो तो ज्यादा बेटर रहता है, ठीक है, चलेगा। अभी हमने ले लिया, तो गो थ्रू इट, देन विल सॉल्व द और विल ड्रॉ द ग्राफ। See, by finding out this value you will get the answer, like y equal to 16. See, y16 x20, y16 x20, check it out, value of x and y both are same over here, that means what, both line will intersect at x20 and y16, so from here we are getting the answer. So length will be 20 and breadth will be 16, but we'll draw the graph. Let us draw graph. So for this, first line x equals to y plus 4, coordinates are 5 6 20 1 2 16, x plus y 36, x y 35 34 20, one 2 16. Let us draw the graph. Listen, x is maximum 35 and y is maximum 16. Okay, so do one thing na, on both the axes let us take scale of 2 to unit, so it is y dash. See, always take unit either 1 2 or 10, don't ever take unit 5, बहुत कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करता है। 1 2 10, 10 के बाद 20 30 40 50 60, 10 के मल्टीपल में जो आता है वो सारा आप यूनिट लो, आपके लिए कंफर्टेबल रहेगा, ठीक है, लेकिन 5 के मल्टीपल में मत लो, इन शॉर्ट 5 के मल्टीपल है, 5 मत लेना, बाकी 50 भी 5 का मल्टीपल ही आता है। तो लेट अस टेक यूनिट 2 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20, it's enough, it's up to 16 only, Now here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? नहीं आएगा, थोड़ी और लाइन मुझे अंदर लेनी पड़ेगी. टू, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31, 32, 34, 36. ओके, बिकॉज 35 वी हैव. 18 तो आप आराम से ले सकते हो. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let us draw the graph. x5, y1. x5, so 5 will be between 4 and 6, and y1 over here. Okay, x6, y2, s6 and y2. Okay, then x20, y16, x20 and y16. Let us join these 3 lines, sorry 3 points. So this is a line. See, you don't have to show this dark line, no? You have to show only this point and line. So this line represent x equals to y plus 4. This one, x35, y1. x35, 35 between 34 and 36. यहाँ होगा, and y1 here. Okay, x34, y2, x34 and y2. x34 and y2 will be here. Now x20 and y16. x20 here and y16, same point. So we'll join these all 3 points. We'll join these 3 points. Let us join. Okay. So here is first point, it is second point. So this line represent x plus y equal to 36. Both intersect over here, these points. So that point is our solution. X 20, y 16. Okay. So what we have considered x. First we write scale. On x axis 1 centimeter 1 meter, 2 centimeter 1 meter, y axis 2 centimeter 1 meter. Okay. Now answer. So these are the intersecting points. So it is our answer. X coordinate represent length and y coordinate represent width or breadth. So length of rectangle x equals to 20 meter and width of rectangle y equal to 16 meter. So here this question is solved. Go through it. Let us end this lecture. Bye. Have a nice day.